Hi, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I'm going to show you how to make a glazed pineapple. So I bought a pineapple. It cost $2. It was two for $4. I bought one. I took all the peelings off of it and all the brown spots that's behind the peelings off of it. And so this is what we ended up with, okay? Oh, let me show you this way. Okay, so I cut it in half, you see that? And I cored out the core that was in the bottom. I took a knife, that was in the middle. I took a knife and I went all around until I got it out and I pulled it out, okay? So now that we've done that, now I'm gonna take some brown sugar, and I have brown sugar mixed with cinnamon and orange extract. And I mix that all together, and now I'm gonna put that all around the pineapple, and now I'm gonna bake this in an air fryer oven. So we're gonna end up with a glazed pineapple, okay? All right, so let's give this a shot, okay? So remember, I cut it in half, so you got another half that you can also do in case you're cooking for 2 or 4 or whatever, all right? All right, so let me adjust the camera. We're gonna get started, shall we? Can't wait. Okay, so as you can see, I have a bowl here. This is about maybe a half a cup or maybe 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. And I have inside here some cinnamon, okay? And now I'm gonna add some lemon extract. I'm gonna add about 2 teaspoons I'm gonna go with. So here's 1, 2, okay. And now I'm going to mix this up. It's going to make the brown sugar come like a paste so it can stick. Okay, once we have that all mixed up, I'm going to take the pineapple and make sure you could see it. Okay, and I'm going to put it on like this. See how I'm packing it on there? I'm going to do that all the way around. When you get to the side, you already have the brown sugar on. Lift it up because you don't want it to come off. Okay. Now you have some that fell off. We're just going to bring that to the top and put it on the top. So what this is going to do is when it heats up, the sugar is going to run down, and then the rest of it I'm going to put right in the middle. The sugar is going to run down and melt onto this pineapple, and that's how we're going to come up with our glaze, okay? Okay, let me wash my hands. Okay, so now we're going to put this in our air fryer oven, okay? So I got it on the bottom rack. I still no need to oil the rack or the drip tray because we have it in a pan, right? Okay, so this is a cake pan. I think it's about a 9-inch cake pan. So we're going to put that in there, and we want to bake this pretty fast. So we're going to bake this at 370. Turn it on. Okay, we're at 370 right now, and then let's start with 15 minutes because I'm thinking that's going to take about 20 minutes. Okay, and we'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. I believe I started out on 10 minutes. I have a senior moment right this second, so I can't quite remember, but I think it was 10 minutes. We have 3 minutes left on our glazed pineapple. So let's take a look, shall we? Oh, wow. I would think we're done. 7 minutes. That's all brown. It's all, looks like it's a little crumbly up. That looks pretty good, actually. I'm liking that. So let me take a bite of that. me put it on a plate if I can. Okay, I'm going to cut that off because that was done in 7 minutes. Wow. Okay, let me see how I'm going to get this out of here. Okay, that was cool. Okay. Now we want to take a spoon, and you see all this glaze here? Okay, it's a thick glaze here. See? Very thick. Okay, so we want to take that and just put over the top so we can make it nice and shiny looking. Let it run down. Definitely in the middle. Okay. Let me wipe my excess on the side. I'm going to show you a nice picture. Glazed pineapple. So remember, we mixed orange extract in the brown sugar with cinnamon. This is 1 pineapple I cut in half, so this is a half of a pineapple. And then we put the brown sugar mixture around it and on the top. And then we baked it for 7 minutes in the air fryer oven. And this is our end results. Let's take a taste. It's so pretty, I don't even want to cut it. Okay, let me cut it back here. Ah, let's see. There we go, I got a chunk. Okay, let me adjust the camera so you can see me. You see me? Wow, I'm impressed. This is the first time I did this. I like it. It tastes like a warm pineapple. And I can taste the orange extract. And if you don't like the orange extract or you don't have any, no problem. You don't have to put any extract, or you can put whatever you want on there. If you want raspberry or lemon, whatever flavoring you want, okay? I like it. So I'm gonna use this pineapple in another video to show you something special, okay? So stay tuned for that. And remember, I'm Grandma Ray Don't Play, so now you know how to cook a glazed pineapple in the air fryer oven. And it's no mess for the air fryer oven because you had it in a cake pan. So all the drippings and everything is within that pan, okay? All right, I'm Grandma Ray Don't Play. I thank you for stopping by. And let me give you the word of the day. Tomorrow is promised to no man. So get all your joy today. Okay? It's not too late. Get you some joy for the day. Go to your bed tonight feeling happy that you got some joy out of today. Okay? All right. Love you. Don't forget to subscribe. Send me some subscribers. Please. Thank you. Bye-bye.